keep from burning the wood. And although we have the metal piece in place, I still like to try to take the flame and aim it away from the wood and the metal piece. Of course, some of it's going to touch it, but another good thing is to keep a bottle of water that you can squirt on it, don't you? Now this is the other end, and here's the existing water service. So we're going to put our fittings on here to run the outside faucet, and in the future tie into the old existing service. Okay, now we have a 3/4 by 1/2 by 3/4 T. We're always going to call the middle out last. 3/4 by 1/2 by 3.